Happy morning. This is Dr.R.Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, in this lecture series, we are going to see the subject Theory of Computation. In this topic, we are going to learn Greibach Normal Form. So, first of all, GNF stands for Greibach Normal Form. A context-free grammar is in GNF if all the production sets, the production rules are satisfies in one of the following conditions. That comes under GNF. Same like CNF, it is also one part. We are going to consider whether the given grammar is context-free grammar or not, formal grammar or not. That we are going to test over with the help of GNF. So here the GNF conditions are a stat symbol generating epsilon. For example, a stat symbol that gives epsilon. A non-terminals generating a terminals. For example, that a capital A gives small a non-terminals generating a terminals which is followed by any number of non-terminals. For example, S gives small a terminals, non-terminal symbols to 3, continuous 2 or more non-terminals. So these are the conditions we have to check over, and if it is satisfied, it's considered as Greibach normal forms. So that's what therefore we used to call it as a formal grammar of context-free grammar. So we are going to test over with the help of set of production rules. 4 tuples are there in the context-free grammar. One is terminal symbols and non-terminal symbols, and then set of production rules, and then start symbol. So with these four tuples, we are going to analyze whether the given grammar is formal grammar or not by using GNF conditions, Greibach normal form conditions. So the example for Greibach normal forms, grammar 1 and 2 we consider as G1 and G2. The production rules of grammar G1, that's going to satisfy the rules specified for GNF. So that the grammar G1 and GNF, however the production rules of grammar G2 does not satisfy the rules specified for GNF. So based on the condition, we have to check over the production rules as well as the given grammar rules. So if suppose the conditions get satisfied, that's considered as the context-free grammar is Greibach normal form. Otherwise, it's considered as it's not a normal formal grammar. So likewise, we are applying the Greibach normal form conditions and we are going to test over it. So based on that, we are going to analyze whether the given grammar is formal grammar using some set of production set of rules. The production set of rules here, the compared to G1 and G2 grammar 1 and grammar 2, the grammar 2 does not satisfy the rules because the A is considered as an epsilon and B is considered as epsilon. That contains only start symbol should generate an epsilon. In between epsilon is derived means it does not considered as an Greibach normal form. So in this way, we have to check over the conditions and then the grammars. So that only we can able to analyze whether the given grammar is formal grammar or not. So the converting the grammar into CNF as like same like if the grammar exists the left recursion, we are going to start implementing the minimization of context-free grammar rules. We have 3 rules, right? In order to eliminate in order to minimize the context-free grammar, we have to apply the removal of unit productions and then removal of unit productions, removal of epsilon. That we are going to apply in order to eliminate it using the left recursions. After that, in the grammar, we are going to convert the given production rules into Greibach normal form. Hope you understand the concept of Greibach normal form. So in this way, we have to analyze. So let us summarize. Based on the 4 tuples, terminals, non-terminals, VTPS. V stands for variables or terminals. T stands for terminals. Non-terminals considered as VT. terminals, non-terminals considered as variables, and then start symbol yes, production set of rules. So based on the production set of rules, we are going to analyze whether the given grammar is formal grammar or not. So the compared to grammar 1 and grammar 2, we have to check over whether it satisfied the conditions of Greibach normal form or not. So hope you understand well. Thank you for your patient listening.